In this video, I want to share with you an update on the dollar index because this has an inverse correlation to the crypto bull market. So if the dollar index keeps going down, then we can expect with high probability that the crypto markets continue higher, which is exactly what we need for continuation of the crypto bull market into 2024. Before we dive into this chart, I just want to remind you in less than 24 hours, this is the last chance to join my VIP membership at current prices before I permanently increase them by $1,000. So if you sign up before midnight Eastern time, December 28th, you will still be able to save yourself $1,000. Join my VIP. The link is in the description down below. You get access to all my training, my courses, my ongoing updates, access to me personally in our Discord group, more than 2,000 members in the Discord, ongoing guidance, support, my own trade ideas, market analysis, everything that you need for success with crypto in 2024. And it is fully risk-free. There's a 60-day unconditional money-back guarantee, but you need to sign up before midnight on December 28th. Otherwise, the price increases by $1,000. So lock in your discounted rate. Come and join us in VIP. You have 60 days still to change your mind. Save yourself that $1,000. Set yourself up for success in 2024. And I will be there with you every step of the way. Okay, so back to the charts. What we can see over here, and this is looking very, very good. This is a weekly chart of the dollar index. We have the 50 simple moving average here in blue. And as you can see, we are now well below the 50-week moving average over here. And this is what we want to see because there is a direct inverse correlation, meaning that when on the higher time frame, we are in a multi-week or multi-month downtrend in the dollar index, crypto, and obviously stocks and risk assets, they're all inversely correlated. When the dollar index trends down, you can see here 2017 bull market, we had this massive move down. 2020 bull market, we had the same thing happening there. And you can see over here, I've circled it here with the exclamation marks. Once we get below that 50-week moving average, that's when the bull market really accelerates, and that is when we see the final stages of the bull cycle. So you can see this is what we've been looking for, because once this goes into another multi-month uptrend, we're in for a bear market in stocks and everything else. That's how it's been working since 2017, and it is still continuing to work. You can see, now lately, crypto has been pumping, and what has been happening? The dollar index has been dumping. It went from here from 107 to 101, and the last couple of weeks we have really seen crypto pump. Bitcoin is higher, ETH is higher, altcoins are really pumping. So what I'm looking for here, and what you want to watch, because obviously you can pull this chart up anytime you want, it's free. The more continuation that we see to the downside in this dollar index, likely the more upside we see in crypto, in stocks, and other risk assets, maybe even gold, silver. Also, Forex pairs against the US dollar, so Euro US dollar, GBP US dollar, those tend to move up as the dollar index moves down. That's just how the correlation has been working. So far, it is still the same. So target over here, the first target I would say is somewhere around here. Okay, this level, somewhere between 98 and 96. That is the obvious level. If it gets there and it bounces, then, we don't want to see this bounce back up there, because then that could indicate a potential top in crypto. And then as this moves higher again, then we see crypto and stocks and all the rest pull back again. So ideally, what we want to see is we want to see it break all the way down, break down below this Fibonacci golden pocket, below the 0.70. And we want to see it target these lows, the lows of 2021. If we can get there, so just about 89, a little bit below 89. If we can get there, and hopefully within the next, who knows how quick it can go. I mean, you can try and project this forward. If you take the bars pattern over here, and you see, we can try and move that around. It is completely possible. Maybe we see this by in the next 6 months or so. If that happens, then I would expect crypto to really continue higher in the next 6 months. And that still lines up perfectly with my theory of the front run theory, that if we get this ETF approved, say in January, potentially in the next 1 or 2 weeks, then that opens the floodgates to a ton of capital to come into crypto, to keep the momentum going that we've been having the last couple of months, and to really just start to push Bitcoin back towards the all-time highs. Now, one thing that I do expect also is if this does indeed start to play out and we do get ETF approval, I would expect money to flow into Bitcoin again. So altcoins maybe get a bit of a pullback, a bit of a breather. As we know in these cycles, money rotates. So now lately, the last couple of weeks, it's been in altcoins. They've been pumping like crazy. At some point, people are going to take profits in altcoins. ETF approval would be the perfect catalyst for money to start flowing back into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin steals the spotlight while all the rest kind of lags behind or slowly bleeds as all the liquidity moves to Bitcoin and everyone chases that. And then if Bitcoin gets to the all-time high or slightly above that, then we see another rotation of capital from Bitcoin back into ETH, back into the other altcoins, where we have maybe the cycle peak and the grand finale of the bull cycle. And again, this is very possible that this might actually end up happening within the next 6 months or so. So keep an eye on this dollar index because it is really the key. It is basically the blueprint to how the bull cycle is playing out. And whenever this trend is going to bottom, right, we're below the 50, that is a clear warning sign, right? Get back above the 50 again over here. Those were both our bear markets, as you can see over here. Let me draw a nice arrow. You can see over here. That was that one. And in 2022, this was just a warning sign. In the dollar index, you get back above that 50 moving average, and basically it's the start of a new bear market. Highly likely time to get out of all crypto and maybe short the bear market all the way down. For now, let me get rid of all these markings. For now, you can see we are below it, so just watch out for a reclaim of that. Hopefully we see a multi-month downtrend here, and where it's going to take us, we will have to just continue to watch week after week. Somewhere between 96 and 98 would be my first target, but hopefully, like I said, below 90. And if we get there, then we have to watch out for a potential bottom in the dollar index, potential peak in crypto and stock markets, and so on and so forth. But this is really the best guidance that you can have for the high time frame direction, whether the bull market is still on or not. And as long as we are here below this 50-week moving average, things are looking good for downside in the dollar index and more upside in crypto, in risk assets, in the stock markets, in precious metals, and in forex pairs against the US dollar. So keep an eye on this. This is your roadmap. Quick reminder, there's probably about less than 24 hours as you're watching this right now to join my VIP at current members prices before they increase by $1,000. Okay, so you have to sign up before midnight on December 28th. After that, it's going to increase by $1,000. So you save yourself $1,000. Come and join us. The link is in the description down below. There is literally no risk to you because when you sign up, you still have a full 60 days to change your mind, request a refund. There's no strings attached to that, but the pricing increase will go in effect after midnight on December 28th. And this literally gives you all the resources that you need. All my years of experience, all my courses that I've created, my training, my updates, the monthly newsletter that I write with updates, market research, coin research, Discord access to me and more than 2,000 other members. It is all there. So come and join us in VIP. Set yourself up for success with crypto. You can see all the videos here on this channel, how I've been calling it in real time, and how often this analysis is correct. So come and join us in VIP. Link in the description down below. Wishing you an awesome end of 2023, and I will see you in the next video.